Debunking the deportation panic, the real story behind Trump's policy. Hey everyone, it's Skywalker. Recently, there was a statement from Jamaica's Foreign Minister, Kamina Johnson-Smith, addressing misinformation about mass deportation of hundreds of thousands of Jamaicans to be sent to Jamaica at once. This misinformation was spreading especially on social media, causing unreasonable panic in Jamaica. Minister Johnson Smith categorically debunked the rumors, stating that the assertions of immediate mass deportations were false. She emphasized that while there are no new immigration enforcement measures, they involve several processes and do not result in immediate mass deportations. Johnson Smith reassured the public that Jamaica would continue its close engagement with U.S. authorities and ensure that due process and human rights are respected. Let's tackle the rumors about Donald Trump's mass deportation policy. There's been a lot of misinformation flying around, so we'll clear the air and set the record straight. In other words, smell the eye opening coffee a little bit more. Firstly, let's address the panic. Recently, social media has been flooded with claims that tens of thousands of Jamaicans are about to be deported immediately. This misinformation has understandably caused a lot of fear and confusion. However, these claims are simply not true. Mm. Here's the deal. While there are indeed new immigration enforcement measures, they do not involve immediate mass deportations. So, who exactly might be affected by these new measures? All right, let's see. One, you have individuals who have overstayed their visas or violated their terms. You have non citizens involved in crimes or criminal activities. And the third one, individuals considered a threat to public safety. Right? People are gone over the cause mayhem. No, let's talk about how the process actually works. U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, identifies those who meet the deportation criteria. These individuals are detained by ICE. The case is reviewed and the individual appears in immigration court. The immigration court decides whether the person will be deported. If a removal order is issued, deportation is carried out, usually by air, with the government covering the cost. Importantly, the Jamaican government is actively engaging with U.S. authorities to ensure that due process and human rights are respected. They have made it clear that the rumors of immediate mass deportations are false. So, before we let panic take over, it's crucial to verify information from reliable sources. Let's keep calm, stay informed, and support each other through this. Thanks for listening. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you later. Peace out.